If you are frustrated by missed opportunities in your career, a portfolio website could be the missing piece you need to showcase your talents and grab new opportunities. But the technical stuff can feel overwhelming and time-consuming. Don't worry, I will guide you and help you build a professional portfolio website in a few clicks, saving you time from designing and writing so many things. The first step is to pick a no-code website builder that offers design flexibility, customization options, mobile responsiveness, SEO tools, and good customer support. We will be using Doric because it has got just that. Doric allows you to build a website instantly with AI. To get started, follow these steps. Sign up or log in to Doric. Write a detailed prompt. Hit generate. After writing your prompt, and watch as Doric AI builds your site in minutes. If you want to tweak your design, you can use AI Quick Style, which contains professional AI suggestions to change the look of your website in a few clicks, like the font or typography or the color of your site. If you don't like what you see, you can always regenerate the entire design by changing your prompt. To do that, simply click on this button here, add a different prompt, and hit generate. If you ever want to go back to your previous AI-generated design, you can click on AI version history to find your previous designs. You can also do a lot with Doric AI, like generate catchy titles with precision prompts so your visitors get your message. There are so many things you can do with Doric's generative AI, like improving your text, rephrasing, shortening, simplifying, fix spelling and grammar, and more. You can also generate illustrations or images using AI to add to your site. If you prefer templates, the old school way, Doric has your back on this too. A template is a pre-designed layout that you can customize. To get started, follow these steps. Sign up or log in to Doric, click on Sites, then go to the CMS tab. Click Create New CMS Site. Search for Portfolio in the template library. Preview and choose the template that suits your needs. Hit Create CMS Site and wait for it to be ready for customization. Now, using Doric's drag and drop editor, you can customize everything easily. I recommend taking 5 minutes to explore the builder basics. It'll save you time later. Once you've customized your site, set up your site settings and integrations. Configure settings like your site language, favicon, and SEO options. You can also integrate tools like Google Analytics to monitor your site's performance and even add payment options if needed. Before launching your site, take time to test it. Proofread all the text, test buttons, and forms. Ensure that your site is responsive on all devices. When everything looks good, publish your site by clicking the Publish button. Your portfolio will now be live. To attract visitors to your new portfolio, promote it using a few key strategies. Share valuable content like blog posts, infographics, and more. Email marketing is another powerful tool. Send regular updates to your subscribers and drive traffic to your site. Don't forget about social media. Promoting your site on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter can help you reach a wider audience. If you want to drive traffic faster, you can also run paid ads on Google or social media. After your site is live, make sure to keep it updated. Regularly add new content and perform maintenance to ensure everything runs smoothly and securely. Your portfolio website should include essential sections like a clean, engaging homepage with a clear call to action, an About section to share your background, a Services section listing what you offer, and a portfolio showcasing your best work. Don't forget to include testimonials from past clients and an easy way for potential clients to contact you. By following these steps, you'll have a stunning portfolio website that reflects your skills and helps you stand out. Doric makes the whole process easy, so why not get started today?